Only people who get it are the people who get it. Hey there, everyone. Welcome back to the J Get It. Today we're diving into something super interesting, Regulation B. It might sound a bit tricky, but don't worry, I'm here to make it easy to understand. So, let's get started. Alright, let's start with the basics. Have you ever heard of rules? Well, regulations are just special rules that help things run smoothly. And Regulation B is a really important one. It's like a superhero law that makes sure everyone is treated fairly when they want to borrow money or use credit. You might also hear it called the Equal Credit Opportunity Act, but we'll stick with Regulation B for now. Now, let's talk about who this superhero law protects. Just like superheroes stand up for people, Regulation B stands up for you and me. It says that lenders, those are the people who lend money, can't treat us differently just because of things like how we look, where we're from, or how old we are. Everyone gets a fair chance. So, what does this superhero law actually do? Well, it has some rules. Imagine if someone wanted to know your favorite color when you're asking to borrow money for a cool new bike. That wouldn't make sense, right? Regulation B says lenders can't ask personal questions that don't have anything to do with getting a loan. And guess what? They can't say, no, just because you're different. It's all about being fair. Why is this superhero law so important? Well, think about it like this. Imagine you're playing a game, and everyone has to start at the same spot. That's what Regulation B does for loans and credit. It makes sure everyone starts at the same place and has a fair chance to get what they need. It's like making sure the game is fair for everyone. Alright, before we wrap up, let's remember the key points of Regulation B with a fun rhyme. Regulation B is fair and true, equal credit chance for me and you. And that's a wrap on Regulation B, my awesome viewers. Remember, if you have any questions or want to know more, just leave a comment below. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and hit that bell so you never miss out on our fun and educational videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time. Thanks for watching.